Hi friends, my name is Evie and welcome to my channel. I love making corsets for my beautiful clients, and I also have the pattern of this classic corset available for purchase in my Etsy shop. I will link it down below and it will also be linked in my description. If you like to sew, I would like to invite you to take a closer look at my corset. Also, if you would like to purchase this corset, I have it available in different colors also in my Etsy shop. So this is a classic corset. It has a sweetheart neckline, it has the princess seams, and we have a basque waistline. This is a side view and the back view. On the back here we have tiny little loops that we make by hand, and also the lacing that we make by hand as well. It comes in 8 different sizes, and it comes with written instructions on how to choose the fabrics, how to cut it out, how to sew it together. This corset I decided to make in red just in time for Valentine's Day. It's perfect to wear on a date, and I made a little flower to go along with it. I think I will add a ribbon to have it tie around the neck so it looks like a choker. And now I want to show you how the corset looks on the inside. Also has the basque waistline, and here you can see that I did a different closure on the bottom, and in the written instructions I will show you how to cut out the bias in the same fabric and how to cover the bottom closure so it looks exactly like this. And these are the little handmade loops. I think it's my favorite part about the whole corset. And this is the modesty panel. This is how it looks on the inside. For me, it's really important that all my corsets look perfect and clean and beautiful on the inside as well as they do on the outside. And in here we also have handmade pads that we sewn in for extra support. And this is how I sew in the modesty panel. That way it's easily removed. It's on a little loop like that, in case if the person wearing it chooses they don't want this, they can easily remove it. And then we also sew in these ribbons for it to be easily hung on a hanger. So this is my corset pattern. It comes in 8 different sizes, and there is my name on it. This is my first pattern that I'm selling, and I'm really excited to share it with the whole world. So this is the main centerpiece, and then we have number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it also comes with a modesty panel as well. I also have this corset available in another pattern that is short like this. It goes only to the waistline. I will be also adding that pattern to my Etsy listing so that you purchase 2 corsets in one. So if you would like to purchase this corset in this shade for Valentine's Day, or in white if you're a bride or for a photo shoot, please check out my Etsy shop. I have this corset available in different colors, and if you like a different color that is not available, please don't be shy to message me. I'll be happy to help you out. Also, now is the perfect time to make the corset for Valentine's Day. You can make it in red. It will be perfect for date night, or you could pair it with long pants and a blazer and wear it to the office. That will also look very stylish and classy. So thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to see all of the creations you will be making with my pattern. And don't forget to tag me so that I will be able to see all the beautiful items you make. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.